come over and look at the US dollar this morning, it's bouncing. We need more price action to confirm which of the two counts we're in, whether the one's in here and we've got an A down and we're going to continue lower in this two here, or whether we're still going to push up here. And I've got obviously the opposite in the euro. It's held that 4 that I put on the chart last night and went through in last night's video. It's coming down this morning, but we need back below 1.1526 at a minimum. Otherwise, what we potentially have is 5 up to here for a 1, a 2 back, a leading diagonal for another 1, or an A, B, and the 1 of C of 2. So if we get a retrace against this move here, pull back and take the top out here, then that's absolute confirmation that all of the larger degree wave 1 in the euro is in at the low back in mid-August. So cable came up absolutely picture perfect yesterday. It hit the 38.2 retrace for the A of the larger degree wave 2 back. That was also a 1618 for this final diagonal pattern in the C wave. And as you can see, we've come off strongly. I'm expecting a move back into this target zone on the 4-hour chart for the B wave. If I see that and see it hit and hold a fib, then I will instigate a long position in cable, and that will be for the rest of this 2 up here. So this was the A wave top we hit yesterday. This is the B back that I'm looking for on the daily chart. Then I'm looking for a move up here next, and that's a nice tradable set of points there, or pips in currency terms, for us to trade. US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's just whiz it out to the 4-hour time frame. I'm long this pair and looking for a move up to here, at least the 1.0 extension at 11506. Off the B wave, 1, 2, and I think we're in this 3 here. Target for that at 113.74, and within that, coming down to the hourly time frame, there's the 2 down here. 1, 2, 3 came up to the 123.6. We should be in this 4 here. So 111.96 to 112.45. Then a 3, 4, 5 is what I'm looking for in US dollar, Japanese yen. And the Australian dollar, just the hourly chart here, off what looks like a potential intermediate degree, which is a fairly large degree of fractal, but low. 5 up, 2 back. That was an exact hit on the 618 retrace. 1 up, 38.2 fib hit. 2 back. We need to just push up here to the 123.6 for the 3 of 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now, if you don't have a position, which I don't, by the way, then I would strongly suggest that you wait for that to play out. Whoops, excuse me. And the wave 2 back. Okay, we are in this 3, and this 1 we're up is the 1 of that 3. We have got a huge move ahead of us, so there is absolutely no point in taking risks on unconfirmed lows in this pair at this point in time. Let it give us a nice clean 5-wave impulse up, wave 2 back to a fib, and then we can get on board and just hold. Again, you will not need a big position. You just hold it for months and months while it works its way up to these much higher levels in the Australian dollar. Okay, that's what I've